Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Redmi A5. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. And now you can click open. And here you have to click on agree and continue, and then click cancel. And now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to your Firefox account, or you can click not now again. Now you can turn notifications, or you can click not now. And here you can select your theme, or you can just click save and continue. And now you can select your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.